Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add PayPal to your WordPress website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in PayPal and in WooCommerce, and just click WooCommerce here, and then click Settings, and here you're gonna see Payments, and now you're gonna see PayPal Standard. You want to enable it, and click Setup. Now when you're gonna do it, you're gonna see Title, PayPal, Description, and then you can like enable PayPal Sandbox, and you get like receiver email, PayPal email, and if you have token, and this is pretty much it. So you can also edit these things if you want to, but this is how you can simply add PayPal payment method in WooCommerce. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.